Damn.
Come on, let's go.
I'm already behind.
Have a seat.
It's cold, I told you.
Yeah, I told you to put your clothes on. Everybody told you. Come on, they got a blanket.
Come on.
Kenzie, come on.
Got a blanket for you.
On February 14th, 2022, Valentine's Day to be exact, at approximately 6:58 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a location on a call about a woman in the street yelling and possibly waving around a knife.
There's a girl out front, like, screaming, and it looks like she's carrying a knife around. I don't know what her issue is. I'm not walking outside to find out, but...
Give me a description of her.
The officers arrived on scene and found a woman who appeared to be intoxicated on an unknown substance, or perhaps a combination of unknown substances. After speaking to the woman for a short period of time, they decided to transport her to a local hospital for treatment. While in the back seat of the cruiser, and with it being Valentine's Day, romance was in the air. The woman found herself alone, and with nobody to have romantic relations with. The woman decided to take off all of her clothing and have romantic relations with herself. The rest, as they say, is history. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Actual address is going to be 98.
I don't know what for. Are you having problems?
Problems?
Yeah.
Negative, we're fine. What's going on?
Nothing at all.
Okay, well, it's...
Are these motherfuckers?
You want to go to the hospital and talk to somebody?
Baby, we can do whatever you want. Come on.
What all did you take?
Baby, I swear to God, just like... I didn't take a damn thing.
How much meth did you smoke?
I ain't smoked a damn thing.
Come on now. Let's not lie to each other.
I ain't never lied. We just multiply.
Alright, relive it.
For real, I stay right the fuck here and thank God that just happened.
What numbers?
103.
100. Okay.
Okay, do you have a key to get in?
I lost my shit minus 100.
Okay.
Okay,
They are safe, boys.
well, you need to go inside. But you can't go in there. She lost her key minus 100. I ain't never heard that one. That was a new one for me.
Is she waving?
Or praying. I'm not sure which one.
Hallelujah. Where did she go?
Behind that truck.
Oh. Let's see what happened.
She over on the other side? In that White House?
She said 100, which could be there, but...
The medics aren't going to do anything for her.
What's that?
So the medics aren't going to do anything for her.
What?
No?
Oh, I didn't know if you...
No, I mean, she's clearly geeking. They're not going to do anything for her, so.
Unless her vitals are bad.
She lives in the bottom. I'm not quite sure.
Don't put her up on us. That's our food. You want to go somewhere and get warm? Where do you live?
Yeah, I stay right here, but I like to walk this month in the cold. For
What
real,
street?
like, I don't even know. Bumblebees.
What
I stay
street?
right here, but
What-
I like
what-
to
what
walk
street?
this month in the cold. For
What
real,
street?
like, I don't even know. Bumblebees.
What street?
Right here.
No, what street? Because I'm not sure you know where you're at.
Start with a planet. Do you know what planet you're on?
Yeah,
What is your home address?
Not this it.
Oh, I know. Tell me the numbers and the street, please. You can't just say this is it. This is his house. All right. So what is your street number and address?
Y'all can walk me to the DMV tomorrow.
I don't want to do that. I want to go have a cup of coffee.
We got the robe. Does he got a robe on at least?
A robe?
I don't even know what that said.
If I was going to send you a birthday card, where would I send it? With $100 in it.
He'd be like, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay.
What does this guy? That's the second time.
No.
What?
How do we get her for a little visit down the street?
Act of God.
Yeah.
Go on, let me take you.
I ain't fucking leaving shit.
You
Just
what?
kidding.
Come on. Where do you lay your head at?
I lay it
Just wherever, or
Cody?
Yeah.
All right, let me ask this guy here if he's
I
Cody.
can't do it.
wherever, or
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
You didn't call for an Uber, right?
No.
All right, go with
No.
go with that guy.
Cody.
Go with him. Sir, your name's not Cody, right?
Cody?
Yeah,
I see Cody tonight.
because he's called for an Uber and she's trying to find him.
Oh, she's trying to find
Yeah.
Cody? No Cody here.
Okay.
Cody has.
The fuck?
Where are you going now?
Okay.
Go with him.
Bitch.
She
No Cody.
She's with Uber?
Yeah.
Yeah, no Cody.
Okay. No Cody.
no Cody?
Mark and Carmen, they were looking for a ride.
All right, girl. Just you know what I mean. God bless you.
Where are you going? That's his house.
Nobody in there wants to.
I know. I know.
Well, then where are you going? Let's take you somewhere so you can get warm. Come on. Come on. That way.
Go for a little rest and get some sleep and some medicine or something.
I think something's really funny. I don't fucking do that shit.
Do what? Eat? Sleep?
The limits of my medication this early in the morning.
Casey, come on. Come on, dear. No. Come on.
All right, let's go.
Hey, let's just. Where do you want to go? Because you can't stay here.
Would you like to just
Would I what?
the eggs blood up? You motherfuckers. And if it is the queen, just tell her I'm trying to be respectful.
Do what?
Thank you.
Do you have anything on you, dear? I don't think you do.
Do you have a knife?
No.
Then why did they say you had a knife?
Oh,
What is that?
I don't know what that is.
Is it like a flashlight or something?
Oh, it's my mustache thing.
And that's what that is too?
Well, go ahead and take it out for me.
Yeah, take those out of your pockets.
Take those out of your pockets.
Hey,
I know
honey.
that.
Take
Take them out of your pockets.
Take them out of your front pockets. Your big, whatever they are.
All right. Take them out of the other pocket,
the other
too.
pocket.
Take them out of this pocket.
You go. Got some in the other pocket
Oh
too.
my God, that's what she's trying to tell me to get naked.
Nobody's telling you to get naked. You got some in your other front
I just want to
pocket.
go to the back.
I got it.
The nut house?
I don't know.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab my gloves. She's still nude.
Hey,
You got anything better to do?
Okay. Yeah, so she's good. We're going to triage.
She's gonna
get
freeze
down
her
on
bits
her.
off.
I got a blanket. I'm just using it.
I don't blame you. Time to take off.
You ready?
Whenever you are.
Like this. With me.
Okay.
Damn.
Come on, let's go.
I'm already behind.
Have a seat.
It's cold, I told you.
Yeah,
Put your
I told you to
clothes
put
on.
your clothes on. Everybody told you. Come on, they got a blanket.
Come on.
Kenzie, come on.
Got a blanket for you.
Sit down there.
Sit down. Turn around.
Sit down there and then put the blanket on you.
Here. There you go. Guys.
There.
You gotta hold all your stuff here.
Oh, her other shoes on. It's his fault. His fault.
You didn't have anything better to do?
Not my fault. It's his fault. Oh, goodness.
She's good. We're going to triage.
She's going to freeze her bits off.
I got a blanket. I'm just using it right now.
I don't blame you. I'd be like, nah, you're good. You decided to take them off.
Whenever you are.
With me.
Hey.
Damn.
Come on, let's go.
I'm already behind.
Have a seat there. It's cold, I told you.
Yeah,
Put your
I told
clothes
you to
on.
put your clothes on.
We got a blanket. Come on.
Come on,
We got a blanket. Come on.
Kenzie, come on.
We got a blanket for you.
Sit down there.
Where's Alan?
Sit down there and then put the blanket on you.
Here.
There.
Grab your stuff back. You gotta hold on to your stuff here.
Where's her other? Oh, her other shoes on.
We're just outside. So keep stuff going up. We're gonna get you all checked in stuff.
Okay, Brian, I'll see you.
Yeah, thanks.
Did you lock?
No. Did it? That's my motherfucker.
Sit down.
All right, we're gonna go to seclusion. All right.
Thank you.
Morning.
That's good. Way to wake up, huh?